Tomorrow is going to be a relatively calm day. Americans will celebrate Independence Day, so the market will provide little trading opportunities with the US traders off their desks. On Friday, investors' activity is likely to increase. What factors will shape the dynamics of the quotes? To find out, watch our video calendar for traders on InstaForex TV channel. Investors who trade the euro-dollar pair will pay attention to the factory orders report from Germany. Lately, the growth of new orders has been slow. Moreover, in May, the indicator is expected to be negative. Naturally, signals about weakness of the industrial sector of the biggest EU economy can trigger a sell-off in the euro. Further on, the single European currency may lose ground ahead of the US jobs data scheduled for release on Friday. Investors hope that this report will provide more upbeat information than the previous one. An increase of 164,000 new jobs is expected. Besides, experts anticipate that the average hourly earnings advanced by 0.3%. Last month, the same forecast was not confirmed. Probably on Friday, the actual reading will come short of expectations again, which would disappoint market participants. In this case, concerns over the outcome of the latest Fed monetary policy meeting will intensify. The financial watchdog noted the need of introducing stimulus measures and the possibility of reducing the interest rate in case of signals of the weak economic growth. The downbeat jobs data can be such a signal. On the other hand, if the report provides upbeat results, bulls may gain control over the market and the US dollar will rally across the board. The labor market data from Canada will also attract close attention of investors. Unlike the United States, Canada's employment figures exceeded the forecast. In June, a rise of 10,000 new jobs is expected. However, the actual reading may be a bit higher. If so, the Canadian dollar will strengthen. So watch out for the possible signals that can be provided by the jobs reports from Canada and the United States. By the way, the US statistics are likely to have a more significant impact on the quotes. On top of the above-mentioned publications, traders need to pay attention to the following events. Tomorrow, the retail sales report will see the light of day in Australia and the Eurozone, while Switzerland will deliver the inflation data. On Friday, the household spending statistics will be published in Japan and the Halifax House Price Index will be released in the UK. At the end of the week, Canada will unveil the IV PMI report. And this was the latest financial calendar on Insta TV. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.